Hello, Shakil speaking. So today we are gonna solving this problem is shuffle string. So what is happening over here? You see, they give you a string in indisciplined way like 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 2, 1, and 3. So array should not be like that. Array should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, they're marking. So C should be come to the expected position. O should be come to his position corresponding with this with their indices. So this is clearly descriptive. Even you can see over here. So this is the initial array. C is position 4, O is 5, but it should not be like that. Array should be like that: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the first iteration, our aim, first of all, we want to create a empty array and set the indices and letters in their correct position. See, let's first iteration, O should be 0 position, L should be in 0 position, and all the iteration I have given you very clearly in a descriptive way. So initially it would be tough for you to understand, but you will definitely understand after solving this problem. So I am gonna coming back here once again upon completion of this code. So every details is given here. Upon completion of this code, if you come here, this will be clearly understandable to you. Okay, let's go to the code. So shuffle string. So bar shuffle string equal to function. We need two parameters. One is s, another is indices. Okay, so one is s means string, and indices. So first of all, we need to create an empty array in a orderly fashion. Empty array should be like that: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, how it is supposed to be. Okay, so final string equal to new array. So I am taking a new array and I am running a for loop over here. For I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. So in this loop, what will happen? We want to update our final array, final string. Sorry, it should be let, as it is a variable. Let. So final string there is a type over here. Final string. So final string, it will loop through indices in every iteration I. It will be equal to s I. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are arranging array the typical style, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and place the letters corresponding with the position. Okay, it will do that. So if you don't understand, wait a bit when I will console log and describe the illustration. It will make clear to you and will understand everything. Okay, so now return return shuffle string, and join it. Because we are gonna getting an array, we need to join it. Join like that. There's a typo. Okay, we are done. So now let's fix the parameters below the parameters. Okay, let this on equal to LeetCode. Let indices on. So it will shuffle according to the perfect position. Okay, console.log shuffle string on indices on. Okay, I hope we will get the expected result. Not on 5. Shuffle string join is not a function. Shuffle string join. Sorry, it should not be shuffle string. It should be final string. Sorry, it should be final string. I think this time it will work. Yeah, it's working. And we see LeetCode. So let's console log, and for a bit understanding, console.log. First of all, we want to see what the array is returning. Console dot before updating. Okay, console log final string, initial final string, final string. Okay, let's see what we are gonna get. Node on 5. Okay, fine. We are getting an empty string. Okay, so let's look through console.log finished or updated final string. Final string. Okay, let's console log once again. Boom. You see what is happening. This is the empty string, and we are getting 8. They are getting. We are getting 8 or 7 empty string, and the letters are sitting in accordance with their perfect position. Okay, let's here is C, here is C, O, C, O, D, and we are getting the result like that. Okay, so this is like an array, comma separated array, but we wanna get LeetCode, no commas will be there, and return it as a string. So that's why we are using join here. You can do another thing over here. You can to see the empty string, how many empty string they are creating, you can declare a let length equal to s dot length. Okay, and len here, and give it len. Then we can get the how the empty string, how many empty places they are allocating. Okay, node on 5. You see, it's allocating 8 empty string. So initially. So what is happening here? Initially we are creating an empty array with the length of I mean there are 8 words over here, code lead. So in accordance with the words, how many words are here, in accordance with, they are creating 8 empty string. You see, this is 8 empty string, and when it loop over, when you loop through, it's creating it's arranging arrays in its perfect position. So C should be here, O should be here, D should be here, and L should be here. Okay, so initially it was haphazard in disciplined way. Now they're arranging the string in this perfect position. What I am saying over here, you see, initially it was like that. Initially it was like that in a haphazard way, in disciplined way, but it should be like that. Okay, and in first iteration, O is letter L is positioning 0, and rest of the things are empty. In the second iteration, L, E, like that, it's sitting in perfect position. And I am showing you the every iteration what is happening over here. So in first iteration it is happening like that. See see the result of the first iteration, see the result of the second iteration, see the result of third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, sixth iteration, seventh iteration, and eighth iteration. Okay, I hope it will make sense. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. We are gonna cover 1000 1000 LeetCode problems. So definitely it will boost your career, give you a pay bump, and if you can solve these problems by understanding, you can make your position in the Fortune 500 companies. Hopefully, thank you very much. See you soon.